Wow.
Yeah, man. Yeah, the Aki tree, you know.
So we're not gonna make some lemonade today.
No lemonade. Lemonade, you can mix up, man. Yeah, the Aki for the tree there.
Yeah, man.
Aki there. Aki, I hope you see the tree there.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man. Real Aki, you know.
Yeah.
Natural. Yeah, natural. Aki just grow. Anyway, and NonSuch, Aki just grow. And if you see Aki, you can come to the Aki tree, also. You see to a John Bone yard, you can jump on the Aki
See
tree.
how a slingshot?
Yeah, man. You can jump on the Aki tree.
You make a slingshot yourself?
Yeah, man. You can jump on the Aki tree.
What the tube you make it with?
Hose rubber. Hose rubber.
Alright.
This is a
Give me a
hose.
stone. Give me this. Hold this for me. Just hold it like I'm gonna hold it. Like this. Just like this.
Yeah.
Just like that. No people.
Yeah, man. We give me slingshot, you know, so.
This is Randy. I go back in the days when me used to build them myself.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. But it's wicked from it, you know.
Uh-huh.
I talk about mango. Me hit from the stem, you know.
Okay.
From the stem. I used to send the youth them under the tree to catch the mango.
When you shoot it out.
The boys them used to be behind me. And them say, Kevy, want a mango. So I gather youth them behind me. And I say to them, which mango you want?
Pint on it.
And him point for the mango you want.
And I say, right, go on there.
Alright, go under the tree
And look out for the mango to drop and catch it.
and catch it. And you know,
I'm sure when I shoot it off.
I got so good. At the stem me hit, you know.
Straight stem. That means you're not shoot off no green one.
No man, let me tell you, I know me see this man, I said to myself, boy, Lord, look what the Lord got to do to me.
When
now.
you're asleep.
I drop, you drop, get up.
Eh?
You feel like a youth now. Wow.
Yeah, man, I run that, you know. Run that from the slingshot, you know. So you want a pigeon for shoot, you know. You need a ring tail for shoot.
I just go test it out, because about 20 years now.
Yeah.
I not do this. You know when we're going out, you know, I have to go out with the bend knee.
Yeah. Dry slingshot, man.
Try it further.
Yes, man. I'm afraid to dry it, man.
Whew.
Dry slingshot, man. You can't have a pull, you know, man. Let's see how I did this shit. Let's see. Yeah. No. Yeah. That's what that stone, man. You not give stone, man.
I don't want to waste them money. I don't want to waste them money. But just a mark the thing. Alright, now go for your Aki. Now go lick the pot. Okay.
You hear the sound?
Yeah, man. And the thing is, you know, the more I practice, if you did have it down here,
Yeah.
the more better you get, you know. Come
Yeah, man.
Aki. Don't disappoint me. See it there. Drop a ground, mister.
Yeah, man. I run to that, you know. Just shoot off the Aki, you know.
Come Aki. Don't disappoint me. The good stone this. No
Yeah.
make me look, sir. Jamaica I come from. St. Mary. Bali. Portland we shoot things. Don't disappoint me, Aki. Don't disappoint me. Oh, look, come on, that the little. A big stone, you know. Once me get started, me can't stop.
Yeah.
No, it's crying.
You have to hold your hands steady when you are right up, man. You can't hold your hands shake. You have to hold your hands steady. Try like that and aim. So you try like this, aim first, right? Try like that and aim and make your hands steady.
I'm looking.
Yeah. You cannot dry us for you and shake, you know. Aim up, Randy. Aim up. Yeah.
Boy, look like a jungle and mix,
You don't dry slingshot, man.
You don't enjoy it?
No, man.
But you like way back?
Yes, man, dry slingshot, man. Slingshot, like it's take a shot with fire. And the sound, whoosh. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so, you put some French man.
Yeah, man, dry slingshot, man.
Alright, so. Put some French in there.
Yeah, man.
Hold the top.
Yeah?
The top.
Hold on, I'm sure you now. Hold on, I'm sure you now. No, watch me. Hold the shit up, man. Huh? You see these, you see them two part here? Look, them are inside, they must be inside, right? Two part here. Out.
Outside.
See it?
Got it. Yeah.
So when the ball is set up like this now, Randy. Right? Right, watch it. These two sides, out. Right? See rubber turn one way?
Yeah.
One way, right? See it one way? One way, see it?
Yeah.
See it one way?
Okay, you bend him.
Yeah.
And a jaw you jaw it, a bend you bend it.
Yeah. See me? Watch it. See it? Like that? Yeah.
Got it. Give time smart. So guys, when you come down here, you're going to get your slingshot lesson. Alright, so what I say is,
Yeah.
I'm just my hand and shake, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I'm used to the pressure.
Yeah, you have a firm, you know? You have a firm.
Why? What you look like you're stronger than me, man. Come on, I'm not used to that pressure here.
Yeah, you know, I dry slingshot, you know? The right way of dry, you know?
Okay.
Yeah,
Inside,
man.
okay.
Yeah, man. You know, I got me just one time, so you know? Huh? You know, I got me one time, Randy, you know? That's broke in. That's broke in.
Okay, but that was better. Was that better?
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah, come, man. Yeah, coming. Coming on.
Richard, man, I'm weak. I'm weak. Alright.
Come on, Randy, man.
Come on.
Get it down, man. Get it down. Yeah,
Right, Dad?
yeah, that's not sound bad, you know?
One more. This is going to be really good.
Yeah. Yeah. Aki on the ground. That is the last shot. Last shot from Randy.
Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
Tell
Last
them,
shot.
get
Get
a
down.
chance.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, Aki. That's the last shot.
Dinner time.
Yeah.
We call that one there dinner time.
Yeah.
That's what we call that one there.
Dinner
We did a
time.
NonSuch with the slingshot. Hit Aki on the spot for dinner
Dinner
time.
time. Yeah.
So we call that one the dinner
Dinner
time.
time. Yeah.
Alright, people of the world, see it there. Dinner ready.
Every
Aki
time.
And starfish.
Yes.
Give thanks, Mackerel. Thank you for the training.
Bless up.
Love.
Every time.
See?
Yeah, man.
You know,
Love.
you may not go feel you. You may a student.
Yeah.
A long time we not do it.
Yeah, man.
Dinner time.
Every time, man. Every time, man.
You see, I'm gonna make the whole world come. And then if not get us, if we not get down at Aki, you know, no can't compete with Randy.
Oh, yeah. Aye.
See?
Aye. You have to run.
See people? Randy come, me do it. So when they come, dinner time. See that? Mackerel, dinner time. People
1,
can't.
2, 3, 4, 5.
People can't starve.
One time. One shot, give it 5 Aki.
You see that?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18.
People can't starve because
18 one time.
18.
18 Aki. 5, 6 me shoot on one time.
boom.
And 18 for the Aki that. 18 see the Aki.
That's them.
Right? Stem and a 6 drop. And each pad have been 3. Check it.
Dinner time.
And a 6 drop. 18 that.
That is what you call real.
Yeah. You don't have to climb the tree. You go to Slingshot and go like this and see the Aki them in the bunch. One shot, one bunch drop off. You don't need no more. Just pick out. Put on the pot pan for you. Dinner ready.
We're gonna make people come meet you, to do the tour.
Yeah man, dinner ready.
Enough man want to shoot the slingshot.
Yeah man, me have it man.
You have it?
Me have it man. Have it man. Every day I go to bush this now. Every single day.
Anything you want?
Anything I want.
Take it.
We take it. If I see a white belly, a gum, I see him die. If I see a blue love, him die. If I see a parsley, him die. If I see a pink tip, a ring tail, him die. If I see a bar plate, him die. If I see a barbie love, him die.
I eat that.
Yeah, that's my dinner. That's my dinner.
You know, buy chicken.
No man, I don't work with the chicken. No and then. Natural food. Bird.
Your bird them organic.
My bird them, sometimes I have about 20 birds in the fridge, putting down. When I'm ready, I just boil, take out 2 or 3 and just say, sip today.
I make you sip.
And make some sip. 3 birds.
You're the real Jamaican.
Yeah man, somebody ate it man. Bird and crayfish.
We just have a new star now.
Yeah man.
To the world.
Yeah man.
Mackerel.
Yeah man.
I have to come back, come see you.
Somebody with it man. Bird. Natural. I love them things there, you know. I love the natural food. I mean that.
I have to come at your house.
Natural food, me love. Natural food. Me love cook natural food. Me love my Aki, Okra and saltfish.
NonSuch.
Every time I cook okra, I feel in my pot. I love my okra. See me? Somebody in my team. Okra, Aki and saltfish. And a nice pot with some dumpling and some yam.
You know, I'm going to set up for you. I'm going to make the people them come hang out with you on a tour.
Yes, man.
Can you say the experience?
We can tell them go on the falling bottom itself. I want to bring them when them come. I'm going to bring go the falling top, right?
The tall one.
Yeah, and the tallest fall in Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to bring we can't go to the bottom today. We're going to go to the top until we finish.
Why we can't go to the bottom? No time?
Yeah, man, we can't go. You're not going now.
That's why we say we can't go.
We can go one next day, we can come back next day.
We can't go to the bottom on top of one day.
No.
It's too far?
Yeah, because you see the stream here? See the stream, we go down the stream and go to the top. So you go to the top, you can't see the top now and see the bottom now. You cannot see the top and see the bottom unless you go what? Swing off and rope, and if you swing off and rope on the bus.
Life done.
Done because
no dinner time.
Because you go what? You go mash up like the gravel and the sand. When you drop down there, you go mash up like the gravel, like the ashes. Your head. I go come like the ashes, and you go so, a dust. Dust. Right? It is like this. It don't stay like this, you know. It don't stay like this. It is like this. So you find a big pool of water down the bottom, and it stay like this. And when the rain fall hard, the water just was go down. White water come off white. White, the water white. Show you how with iron steel. You can't go up it, you know, and you can't go down it. The only way you can go up it, somebody has to up on the top and tie a cable wire, or if you're brave enough with a plastic rope, and I'm sure you're on the bottom, you're going to climb for it and go, but you're not going to run that risk. You're not going to run that risk because it's too high. And if you slip, you slide. There is nothing under there because you cannot drop in the water. If you even drop in the water, you're going to die. Must die. Because it fall straight like this.
Wow.
It don't stay like this, so you can walk and stop and go up the top. Never. When you're at the top, you can't see the bottom.
Enough people go see it?
Yeah, man. You catch crayfish. You catch crayfish. See the fall in here. And you catch crayfish down at the bottom of the fall. Go with the line and throw a coconut wash in the water and pin on the tongue on the line and throw in the water and catch crayfish out of the water. Down at the falling bottom. Falling bottom itself. Big pool of water is there. Just go and throw the line in it. Catch crayfish.
What kind of crayfish? We don't make the crayfish now spicy and soup too?
Yeah, make soup and we can pass them.
So crayfish down there now?
Yeah, crayfish supposed to down if you're not in the water. You want to stream about crayfish, you know. You want to stream here, you know. But we have to use line and feed them out and catch them at night. Most of the night we go, when they come out at night, come out feeding. So we walk with the cutlass at night time.
So how many springs are around here? Like river?
Yeah man, couple spoon here, but some of them they fall. Like this one go down there, when that one go down there, you buck up in about 3 more down there. And you add some more on that side.
So use the man who might the one me for tour with.
Bring dog uncle. Everton uncle.
You go bring me Everton uncle.
No. You go drive this car? My family.
Yeah, I'm uncle.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah man, my Everton uncle man.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you're family.
Yeah man. You tell them just come here, no? Yeah man, Everton uncle. Yeah man, my family man. Yeah man. My sister, son. Sister, two youth. One daughter, one son.
And you're Mike.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Might go like this man. You don't go back man, Mike gonna tell you man.
I'm gonna love to see the video.
I tell you man, I'm gonna say, oh, Major! You buck up Major! Major! No man, you can't tell me to buck up Major man.
So him never know say you did him tell you say him call you?
No, Everton told me that Mike, you say that Mike, you must carry. And so other Mike, colleagues them. Because him in the street, so you must tell them come up here and make them meet them. Yeah man, Mike no man, me and Mike used to go in the hills no. In the hills them at the time no man. I tell you some places we go no man. Me and Mike and the next and him uncle me used to go with. We climb, so we go man, so we go on a bus man. We go on a bus man at 9 o'clock, we don't come back until 3 o'clock. And we don't go to the bus, we just walk on a camp out. Just walk on the bus and look for a wild hog with one knife.
Wild hog?
Wild hog. Wild hog. I think when the wild hog catch you that time, we don't know, we don't hear about wild hog. Wild hog buck up in a firm that time. Kill it, eat half we and gone. And we walk through firm, but we find our foot. One look knife, so we look for wild hog. I don't know what is wild hog. Wild hog is something where, because like it's team of them, and bad. It box you up, eat you, bite you up, and gone. So wild hog still. Terrible something man. And we are roaming the bush man, if we small, so we are roaming the bush man, because we're not afraid. We go to the hills every day. We left out the hills sometime at 5 o'clock. I come from the hills. Darkness I come down. And we are trying to come in the river. Yeah man, I will do that. The boy and me, we are go bush today. Step up with us. And say, here we are going to try to today. Go in the bush. And try. Yeah man, look out. Love anything there now. Naturally, when you go in the bush and you see a ripe banana, you can't just go right for a struck off 2 kilo for the ripe banana. And eat it because if in the bush are ripe, and just stay there just ripe off and it's just mangoes and bird and rat eat it. You don't go to the bush and find a banana ripe like that just and you break off 2 seeds and eat it. It's cool and nice. You don't feel like leaving none. Yeah.
Mackerel?
Yeah man. So I go to the bush.
Take off your hat, let me see your head.
No man, ras. No, take off my hat.
It's ras?
Yeah man, no, take off.
A ballad ras, but it's ras.
Yeah man, no, take off my hat.
I see it. Now me know your limits.
Yeah man, so we deal with you know. Straight.
Did you have locks before?
No.
But you're ras.
Yeah.
Cause you deal with the ital food.
You take off my show and show before you go in.
Yeah
Man. Take off your show before you go man. I worry you head.
You're the real warrior, you real Portland.
So we stay you know.
Portland.
Nah,
Yes, Portland.
You see me? Yeah man.
You're born and grow.
You be a local people want to come and NonSuch. You be a liquor want to come and difficult district here when you're NonSuch and a liquor.
Why? Because of the falls?
Nothing, you know what I'm saying? NonSuch is one of the best places in Portland. Because you can live in NonSuch. Any time you go to your yard, you can just leave your house open like that and go to Portland too. And when night come back, and you can leave your door open and leave your window open and go in the house and lie down and sleep till daylight. And your door open and your window open.
You have land for sale? Nowhere near?
Yeah man, you're supposed to be down there and sell man. Yeah man, enough people want to come to NonSuch to build up a house and just live because say the environment is just cool. They don't have no pollution in NonSuch. No pollution. You just wake up this morning if you feel like get up in the house, 4 o'clock you get up. You don't have to fret and say, gunman come kill you, or robber come rob you. You can sleep with your door wide open as long as the night is, till daylight, and leave your window open and go to your bed and lie down like this. And wake in the morning and feel fresh same. You don't have to worry. Say somebody come kill you and cut them throat. Never. Them things don't go on and such. Them things don't go on and such. That's why the people that love NonSuch like that. But you can tell them, man. You can leave your house with a weapon and go to town, Kingston, and come back. And your house with a weapon, say, man, a man don't go so and go in your house. Leave anything in your house and go to Kingston. Man to go there and come back to NonSuch. And it is there, same way putting down. No one go in your house. So we live, man. The more, if you know so you're gone, and we say, oh, look at him, if you got him, the house up, you know, you take care of it. You stay alive here to him, return. You know what I'm saying? Look, you know what I'm safe, well safe. Yeah, man. You know, two of us, we just sit down at him home like this and wait until him forward. I think that's what nobody don't go into him house. Yeah, man. And you can stay there. So if you come coming back, in night, the house door will see him there. No one going there. About nothing at all. See him and leave it, see him and come up and see. You know, come up and bar and say, I think go to my house and I'm going to teeth up myself there, that's an ask. Not join them to me and answer. No, man. Just live as one. Not teeth, man. I'm on planting down. Maybe I'm going to park and see two something. Draw one dash and cut on a banana and gone. But now I rip out the ground. Take one bunch and put my hand on a banana and I'm gone. Zip that.
Wow.
Apple beer pan tree in NonSuch. They just stay on the tree and chop off and ripe and spoil that ground. Breadfruit the same way. Mango the same way. Every year the amount of breadfruit we bear on the tree them. The 3/4 of them spoil on the tree and ground. You tell you? Breadfruit just stay on the tree. Mango the same thing. Every fruit bear on NonSuch spoil on the tree. Mango, soursop, apple, aki, plum. See plum them?
I feel me had more and say no.
See plum? See plum? You have a plum tree on the place. Right? I'm going to start it with you. Just one local leaf.
So the first time you really all this match with them?
Hmm?
Yeah, man. First when up on the road with Everton. Like on a tour.
Yeah, man.
You always at work.
Yeah, man. Most work.
But
Yeah, man. Most work.
hold on to them, I go to Everton and
Man,
say,
I made of all school and people. Everything much up, like. It's all good vibes. See them with. Yeah. I just work and business and living. Yeah. See them with.
I go to pull on to them Everton and say, or Jamaica, and I put it first. But it's down there, you know, so. So I get something to you, you know. Because you can't lose. You see me? You get something flash, you do it. I say, yo, right now, it's like for the top. When I say put it flash, right now I have a bag up on my just because my plum tree over. Now bag it up and try it feel. Like you enjoy the plum then. By the end of the day, I know say, rare. You see me? You say, so me live. And I just step out the plum out of my bag. Just pass it back up at the shop. Back up and play back and you know say, and I bring them. See? You can't lose.
Yeah,
You cannot
because
lose.
I don't know man will bring me a gift.
You say, you cannot lose every time because them plum here, man. Right now. Enough people, right? Enough people plum tree. Not full in, don't big like this. These plum are real full. These plum is full. They cannot full no more. See? They are ripened. You can get this plum, make juice. You can grate them and make juice, and you can take them and make stew plum.
The chicken.
Yeah. Stew plum, you can stew them, you go back to fire, you can stew them
Put them in salt.
and carry them back in fire for you. You can go in the sauce, and you can just stew them like this, and put them in a dish, and when you go up to fire, you can just step out one, you go into work, and what after you go into work, you can put one phone in one look dish.
You put vinegar in it.
No. Stew plum, you just use sugar and ginger in the pot, boil it, huh? Nice. Just peel them, you know. Just peel them. You don't cut them up, you know. Just peel them. Put them in the pot. And call it stew plum.
Yeah.
Nice, man. What you fry now? When you're in your house and you go up on the road, you can take up one four and put them on the dish. And go. You just have it. For 1 month.
Around here, so we go cooking at the daytime, you know. We come back, you know.
Yeah, man. I
You also have to cook, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know? Get out of the garrison.
Yeah, man. I'm really bad one, man. Culture, you know. That's who, you know. Yeah, man. Original part, like. You might look at me to that part there. And a little away. Hundreds of it. Hundreds of it.
And she says a pot like that for you.
It's a hundreds of it, look at the pot. Hundreds of it. Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, I could call it flip, you know. All in one.
That one you have chicken.
That one you have chicken in it. Yeah. Real food, them the food, you know. Natural food the same, you know, but I'm chicken, you know, but coconut milk night, you know. Yeah, man, coconut milk night, man. The natural thing you have it.
So you throw the food and the chicken, everything, in
everything
one?
one? Yeah, man, all in one.
Yeah. It's not a soup.
Some people call it pakasa.
Pakasa.
Yeah, pakasa.
Why is that?
Everything in one. Pakasa.
The first time chef you cook a pakasa?
And you just wait until it boil and go down, then you take off the pot. Yeah. So the pot look now, real stew. Yeah, man. Peas in line, peas in line. Alright, peas in line. You see peas in line now?
Hey,
then tell you that
you know, so the girl on my phone I go on marry him off to bring him up. What kind of girl you want? Woman. You have a woman now?
Right now.
You have a girl? You see him love her, you know? Because if you never love her, I say, no man, I'm good man. Yeah man, bring the woman them come. So you love her?
Of course, I love me deal with them.
Do you have a youth?
No, no yet.
Just bring them come, anytime.
So you love the girl?
Like we love the girls with them, like we love each and every girl.
But you're a woman?
Of course, like I love her.
What's your name? First name?
Yeah, even that like, nah, I'm gonna
Is it that? But if she see the video, she know say,
Patrice, yeah.
you talk about her.
Yeah.
So if a woman from foreign call you and say, yo, my love, what go on? You will answer the call?
Of course, the answer. The answer.
Put him on the spot.
Me answer, I'm not let her down.
The answer.
Well, you love your woman? How long are you together? You love her? Send out love to the lady.
Of course.
Other ladies back down. The man say he's in love.
Always.
It's a good man, you know, when the man say, yo, I love my woman.
Yeah.
I say, what if I get 10 more? He say, no man, I love my woman. NonSuch. Them even bathe under the pipe and wash them here under the pipe.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Everything natural.
Enough people.
With the youth them.
Come here.
No people come there so come here?
Enough man. Wash clothes and rinse clothes and everything.
Is that one of the only pipe around here?
No, because my time the water, them the water now. Sometimes the water low.
Okay.
So I when you lay on you know, sometimes the water low. Yeah, sometimes the water low.
But here the water high. So
The water always there, yes. So.
is a family love.
Yeah, so if I going up the road now, water flow. But some of them are deep parallel, social fine, and out there so, and having water.
Okay.
Water pressure just cuts. I know man an idea, you just cut them back. Yeah man.
Just say I know. I love the place.
Just know that man.
Yeah. You stay with her if you eat? You stay with her if you eat?
Yeah man. I'm just up. Who are going to be over, you know? I hear about that car, you know, I'm say, alright, you know, deal with the match, you know?
No, man. I love.
You just deal with the match and done, you know? You repair them. Supposed to buy a pair like that.
Oh, you bring some pear?
Yeah man, about 4 pair.
Just say I know, man. I go.
No, we're for
The pot right now. This is a cocoa plant, right? You can rub it in your hand like this. Now scratch, right? This one is the killer. It's like coming to a while ago. You can't rub it in my hand now. Scratch me. It's cannot heal. Scratch me. We call it scratch cocoa.
So you know what it's different.
Yeah man, different man, watch it now. See there? You can't rub on it. You see the difference?
Okay.
See different, big difference. So this one stay clear, so this one dark, the leaf and different. Okay, we turn it over.
Now that one you can cook?
Yeah, this
The
one
leaf.
can cook. There, the leaf can cook.
Yeah.
So have the young leaf now. Alright, let me show you now. Leaf you can cook. When you leaf young,
That's
the
what I tell them.
The leaf is like
You can steam it.
when it's young, it come out. It fall like this.
I got my picture there now.
Right? It fall like this, right? And so when it fall like this now, you block off them like it dashing. See like it dashing, you know. Dashing, block them off like this. Right? Block off like that and 6 of them. And fold up, you know, young and fold like this. Fold up, and we just use the knife.
Like color
Cut them up like color and put it in the pot.
You see?
The dashing one and the crash and then this one.
But this one you show, don't worry.
This one. Kill this man.
I eat me eat today.
If you chop it,
Just like me, I hope so you know, like, you know them enough.
no man, this will make so compare more than make all bomb man. Wicked something man. Wicked something man. If you chop it, you see, but you place like this now, and you mash it, touch it, and you feel it in your eye, you have to done something. You have to done something. Because your eye in a fire. You have one of them called donkey and so. This and the donkey when you fire in your eye red like fire, you have to go sleep. Pain you inner. Crash coke and donkey. Wicked something to find in your eye, man.
Good learnings.
Yeah, man.
Surprise to pay.
This, don't try your best. Not eat and play with that. Because if you hold the leaf and go so and tear out, rub your hand, so it has scratch.
Yeah, man, because them scratch me already.
Wicked scratch, man.
But me not trust none of them.
Wicked scratch.
Me
You
not
see
trust
them
none
now,
of
see
them.
the coconut now. If you coke on the yam now, if you're in a fall, and you go to the bush, you look at the yam and the cocoa, and you run up on the back wet up, then scratch you. Because the water, I run up on the back, and I come down in your body, and sudden scratch you. You see yam, where you eat, and you go up and the yam, and you touch the back of your head, and we keep something here. You go there, empty on the back and come back out, and go back when time so not tea back. Because the water, we are beat on the back, the water run down in your body. And the whole of your body in a fire. A pea scratch, pea scratch called the yam water. I run down on you after the bag. Scratch right from now till night. Yeah man, so you have to know where you are. You have to know the thing. If you don't know about the bush, you have pity for do nothing at all. You have pity for do nothing at all. It's a soldier. Come. For the forest, and a place they call Marvel. Every time soldier come, up in them go, camp. And so they're going to the eat from Marvel. And they must have red berry pantry and say something and they go eat. And any cat they have to call, come for them and them and dead. And have to run the next one that town. Ask me that they go eat that red berry, but you don't know about it. One of them dead. They have to fly the next one and go after that town to see them. And then even have to eat. And look at great thing. In the bush pantry like a cherry, but small, red and black. Pretty. Look like a cherry. And the buns and stay so. Then go in the bush where you eat man and say what? Cherry or something like that. Every chapter, they want to call while them dead. And we run the next one go at all, must be safe in life. You know, get to longer. Dead. Yeah man. You know, go a bush. Anything we know?
Wrong one.
You don't know about it. Don't trouble it.
Wrong one.
Yeah, man. Don't trouble it, man. This, a killer, man. This scratch up and... Just take it like this, you see, I'm going to bring a foot. Just like this, like you stay like this. You see what you come out of it? That's it. Just rub your foot like this and something. Scratch up and now the knife come. Yeah, man. Scratch up. If you chop and you go in and find your eye, problem you in, man. Problem.
Even right now my tongue.
This you eat this mine?
Fire.
Can't be able to eat this.
I chew it up. Come many things are cocoa. Come here say the cocoa will work.
You can see me virgin, but no one. No go apartment a man. No go apartment a man. Early me go. No go apartment a man. Look at some girl. You go to the man. If you see my brother, I go walk him to change flower, 2 sticks. Look at that 2 seconds. I'm going to put it 2 more, the whole day. Yeah.
Yeah, some milk.
Like a whisk.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah. Yeah, man. But in the hill, no man in the land down there. So, up the upper, see part me go on mine, me more the marwe, it up a way. But me see me better than mine, I buy yard, you can give me a piece also. That good for you. And you can giant fertilize all in a food. Remember, so check him. Yeah.
A good lesson for me.
Real thing, man.
I may pick the wrong one.
Yeah, man.
When you do from a thing too long, you have to pay attention. But it's recovering fine. The sore up, tongue hot. So I scratch it, scratch me. Right now. That's what it's doing. But over time, the scratch wear off. Yes, scratch for 2 more days.
No man, it was stop, man. Stop by 9. Don't stop. Don't stop.
No, it's good. Everything good though. I feel strong. Stay strong, you know? Good seats. This is Jamaica Good Life. The people that have life so good, them just take time with everything.
So good till they make life so bad.
That's Jamaica.
Yeah,
Good enough that too.
Eh?
Good enough. Just deal with them. I'm come up and I'm going to speak to my brother. When do you want to see my iPad now?
Yeah man, that's our
You're
brand.
boss, how are you? Nothing better than this, you know?
Cool chair.
How are you like?
See, if a space is natural, like
Have you like that, Andy?
in our world. It's natural.
Have you like that?
You see the small illusions, you know, big illusions. Yeah, but alright, you see the illusion. It means the pot of coke. It's when the pot of coke between the time. It's a jar, you know. And we video and we do everything, you know. And we leave to get some herb and we end up wait for the change and the vibe is like the vibe. Everything is just a vibe. You see, if you know overs the vibe, you think something wrong. I really sorry for the delay.
Respect.
But 2 minutes now. 2 minutes 100% just my daily living is not like just being right here so every day. Sometimes I'm there in my hills, sometimes I'm up at my shop, sometimes I go and check my
No
friend.
pressure, no
Yeah.
pressure.
But
It's- it is not how long it take. It's the lack of communication.
okay.
You see, if a man say, yo, we do a thing, we soon come.
Which is
So when we are things that the car broke down.
no, I never have a number for the
So-
item.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are things that the car broke down.
No, sir, the car didn't broke down. It's natural vibes. The thing is about it. We're going to get 2 herb. We're going to get more vibe, meaning we're going for more presentation. When you're coming back, you can feel better because the pot is cooking. It's everybody having a vibe. It's just a natural feeling. Sometimes people feel 5
It's
minutes
good,
for
but
themselves.
we want
Some
to
people-
connect.
Yeah, we're connected, you know.
The
thing
phone,
about
the
it.
phone.
The phone. Well, the phone thing is
All right,
that.
come on, Siva. This is Jamaica Good Life.
I want to speak up.
So the world can hear on them. This is NonSuch, right? This is the liberty.
If the world this will really be realistic. I would have one total different stuff.
been to some places in the world, yeah. Experience my own liberty in Jamaica, yeah, too. Me know say the world is a wonderful place, but the inhabitants of the world have a problem. And it's not a big problem, then just no one see them problem. Cause everything nice for everybody. I just some people no want some people nice. And that's the problem. What a sweet world, man. What a sweet fucking world. Me I drink a jelly, you can drink one. You see me I say? So, if your system come now and say, boy, I'm alone for drink jelly and I want to drink sour orange. Right away, I'm going to start next with me, don't I'm going to start to culture selfish, man. Because if one want all the jelly, I want to drink sour orange and water. Which, I say world around. Selfishness are the only thing I see wrong in that world, right? Everything else right. Everything else right. I just selfish thing. So by the time I try to I create my own self, you know. See sometimes not even see myself and see an ex man where need to be seen more than me. Yeah. But I see myself the time, I just see him. I know say boy that man need to be seen more than me. So yeah, I see you. Yeah man. But we will heal all of them something. We don't believe so.
Jamaica Good Life basic is sharing. We wanted to show people how Jamaicans care and share with each other.
Realistically, me at that now. What's it?
You what? You don't want no meat in a wine.
No man, no meat now when you
Good.
You know already like that.
Yes, they're ready. Let's just put some flour.
You want some meat?
Oh, to that? Yeah man, no problem man.
No problem, I have.
Mm.
Everybody's gonna
I said in the coconut and my one says in the world and some no. I got no that. Hey, almost every night. Almost every night we talk to you. I'm a brother from a parent. I'm not looking at myself. And I say, uncle, boy, uncle, we tell you man. Anywhere we go in the world, after what, call your name uncle. Every time I talk to my brother, I'm not sure. You have to ask him to say, where you there? Yeah man. Randy here man. Yeah man. My sister boy, you know?
Blessed.
Almost every night we talk to people and forth.
That guy, you know, we're easy and I'm going to buy going to the fall soon. So I'm going to break like a mirror. Blessed. Good energy. That's the part.
You enjoy food.
New style.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, I love it. I just because the burn still there. And them show me the bad cocoa from the good one.
I have two more color. Put out 3 above. Yeah. Cocoa man. Cocoa leaf man.
The bad and the good one. Learn. So learn.
Scratch cocoa. Scratch cocoa.
And every day I know get up. And this one brother from Alan. Come and he say, boy, he must spend some holiday and he want party. I like how make me a flex and everything. So me and him a party and a party. I'm like, you know, but in still he can make some wicked dumb and stuff. And go there and really. One day me and the man walk down a reservoir, or a water place. And the man look up and see some orange on a tree. And he said, wow! I'm happy I see my food, man. That's what I like to eat. And then I say, brother, I saw orange them there, you know. And I said, that's okay, I like them. You just climb up on the tree and I see everything. And pick a portion and do some stuff, put them in there.
Like food style.
Yeah. Like, you're the wicked part. That's the one drop off by tree. You want to take out one like that and you go, wow.
Bite it.
And you say, buy me if you tell him, say, I love so eat, and you bite it up. And start charging. And I say, what's wrong, man? I say, oh, that taste. He said, wonderful. You know what that's saying? Because probably a wonderful thing to
Yeah,
do.
but then I eat it.
And now we have missed out on the medicine part where him know about. So I don't bother, but I don't obstruct him.
Because you know, pies not is still not pies.
I don't want to eat about tree.
Alright.
I'm only resting on the short so I don't care of. One time I go to park out to go buy one goat. I want the skin. You know it needs to. But if I buy a goat I give it to the people then I got the skin you want. If you have a special goat and it wow. That's what can really message and blah blah. Message and all that. So he goes, is this goat for sale? And to my white boy, they give a big price. I didn't mind, he just pay for it. And ask man if it's killy and skinny. And then kill it. Sometimes killy and skinny himself too. You just tear the skin and say, have a nice day, and you can't let him eat, you know? I say the man in a par, a bit of birthday, he got to the day, you know. So, bit of birthday, no, so you know how I say let go. So we have come now, the man saw one donkey tying a silver road or so. And the man said, hey, you know, for the gym there, that one type of drum, I am teaching about drum, you know. And so you see, for the gym there, the donkey skin is better than the goat skin. What do you say? I steal the donkey? I say, oh, I'm going to run left, yo. I want to kill the people in donkey just to get this skin to put for a job. That one never easy. But I mean not easy, Brazil. Yeah, man. But that man never easy, but I never see him back in my life. All the people I never see again, you know. But then I carry a brother down on the fall. You know, when he comes back. That's it. The thing I just buy the thing. And then name you have. That's right. And then over there, yeah, that's right. You know that we have to go. There are some people, some English people go on the farm. Me that should have go to the house. And say, hey,
We go up,
we go right round and go on the foot and the fall like to it. Hey, these two people just get married. And we want to celebrate the bottom of the fall. So that then start that's no problem. And pay them money. In advance, you know, because I go to them all about next week. The day before then call me phone and say, tomorrow I say, yeah man, I go there. And come. The people them bake 6 week cake. And them buy a pound a week for them. I buy the wheel and then take up $1/4 pound and give me the rest. Hey, you can have that. Nice. And blend up the rest, them boy the rest of the wheel and blend it. Blend it out and make wheat cake. That's all. What? when you go up the block and say, well, for people who are fall, if we are going down there, everybody happy and nice, you know. Yeah! If we go down there, some and we eat it. We eat it lunch time, bro.
People want to come up back. We
Talk about want to come up back. Nobody not talk to nobody else. We're not ready for come up back yet. But everybody just stay so.
yeah, man.
So the youngest girl, as she get married, she start bang. Everyone come to me and say, what's wrong? What's wrong? I said, what's wrong? And she said, we came down here having so much fun and no one speaking to no one. And I said, what's that? What is it true? So I call the mother and I say, she said, no, when I talk to one another, everything gets stiff. And she can't manage the vibes, I know. Yeah, the mother know to me. Culture, I'm wondering about it, but I'm wondering why. Is it the atmosphere? Is it something? I said, no, the ganja cake we are eating. That's the weed cake. They give me one roll of one, like that. Every night we eat tea before we come on the road. If you have to eat this up, walk up the road, you know, knock out. Every night. And Tasha said, she said, dashing a culture. And me eat it, you know.
That would be that tall, you know.
It's nearly a month, man.
My girlfriend, right? My girlfriend, she have a man. A man, a rasta man, thick body. Can't like you. But he have bigger body.
They be not give me no money
Yes,
today.
man.
You know no money can give me.
You see,
You don't have nothing from me.
man. You do what? Same way. Them things there. And you man what? Sell them things there. It's like cream crackers. The man make the weed out of crackers. Making a crackers. See when I close the crackers bag. You see? The label everything on the same way, cream crackers, all with crackers. I see them way, the man have the bag them and put them in the cart and box. And my friend catch up, girl named Marley, cart up. I know what my man have, you know. And like then when they hear so, then they ground there so. And they come to my yard and ground there so. Night I'm going to find out about 10:30. The man come out the road and I cut. The man named Pablo, the Rasta man. And I cut some car taxi and taxi come to him and gone. By the time I go in there, you know, me and Marley called me. And I said, Major, come here. I said, walk on Marley. He said, I said, I'm going to play something for me. Because that blood stop man, they're going like this. Remember, I 6 box, I biscuit, in crackers. Marley can come pull them in my house, you know. I ship them and I ship them, you know. I hove and this, you know. And I 6 Marley take away, you know. And try to make house come pack up, you know. You know what I'm saying? They make biscuit already, you know. Make biscuit already, you know, brother. I ship them to ship, you know. You don't know the man come back like before the morning there. About like 3 o'clock, bro. When we hear my morning, one day I go and man I say, come out of the yard and leave. When you gone now, in about some minutes to 4, morning, so I'm going to knock on the door. I said, yeah, Jack, you come back, man. But you know what I must do, man, and take your money, let me sit there because you don't get no money. So man, come back now, man, talk and then cuss and guy for the man left, man left a piece of food, give him. The man, as the man gone now, he just come and come and say, Major, yeah, man, 16, right? Take out, give me 5 and left 1. I never get the whole of them. I never tell my friend that. You know what I'm saying? I give you about 5 and left 1, and I'm out. I thought, skin I say, Major, when I did, I say, you know, there's something like to call on you do. He said, oh, I'm more than I'm out. And he said, I know, sir, I got you know. And the morning was up and give me 5 back, morning give me 4 grand. I said, Major, hold on, you have some more money to get to know. I said, well, first thing, and the morning, if you have to drive up about 10 o'clock, coming out of here. I said, which vehicle that? Now, if vehicle pass, I go out of here, you know. By this one, me and man, I call me, look at the top of that. I call me, like what I say, Devon, you see Major? The man said, yeah man, me heard about the place, Major! The man there so, I'm there so. Yeah, the man, Major! Major! Just go so. Man, I said, waiting there, give me it. At 25 grand man, for the back of this time, 25 grand cash. You ever say 25 grand crash? And when I say, I want to look up with box about, say, brother. I want box about this. And wide about this. 25 grand crash. You say? You know what? 5 more grand out of that. So we get what? 10 grand. 20, I think I'm 20 to the man. You have no problem. You know, man? Yeah, you know, brother. If you put me here on it, you just right, you know? Yeah, man. Our article goes to the brother. I tell you. I'm going to the article. I want that on you, man.
The number corrupt till I tell me the hold, yeah? The number corrupt till I tell me the hold. Yeah, article.
Yeah, man. Article. I mean, look at that. I tell you what? I got on you, man. Hadisha.
Waterfall. School officer.
It's still like, no?
If I have a better than this bomb buckler. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, uncle.
If I have a better than this, I have a better.
You don't see me now. Me don't stop running.
You have to sound it.
Bunny, till you burn out. Because me never did have no weed. Don't get to them, give me some weed. So we are smoke all your weed. Picking out all the seed and God know we are burning. Smoke out the ganja money. Because me never did got no weed. And get up and give me some weed. Me a pick out the seed and clean it up and just burn it.
Please, I thank
You remember that white girl? The bright up on the grass? What's she name? Don't clot your baby off it too. When say, I came all the way from the grill for you, culture. Me say, unfortunately, I doesn't need a woman, Gwen. Gwen say, even if it doesn't need a woman, I want to be around you till I'm ready to leave Jamaica. Me say, Gwen, I don't live nowhere. I sleep under the tree. Gwen say, oh, fuck it, man, I sleep there on the grass. Oh, a couple nights Gwen lick at the side. You think I easy ass, man. Gwen just say half an hour with them. Yeah. Ready? Yellow.
Guess what? You want a bigger sitting?